Why buy when you can DIY? So you need a food dehydrator, and then take the top plates off. And then you need a 5-gallon bucket. And we're almost done. Now we just need to drill some holes for the humidity to escape. You can drill a decent amount of holes, just try not to drill too much, because that'll just destroy the purpose of having the bucket over the dehydrator unit. Well, if you drill too much, don't worry, because you can just tape it back up and you'll be fine. And while I'm drilling, let me tell you about a channel supporter, 3D Feel. They're a US-based film manufacturer with a US-based supply chain, and they have a really good filament, so seriously, go check them out. And they recently had a massive price drop, so they're becoming more and more competitive, and you can save some money with the code AZ3DP at checkout. Thank you. Now I didn't like how the filament couldn't sit flat, so I'm taking one of the plates from earlier and I'm snipping off these tabs because otherwise the bucket won't fit. Now you can sand these down, but I didn't. But it works great, and you can see the before and after. And that's it. Now, is this the most practical way of doing things? Probably not, since nowadays the filament dehydrators have gotten pretty cheap. But if you have a spare food dehydrator lying around and you have a bucket, I think it might be a pretty good idea. And this is useful for drying TPU, PETG, and all other filaments that like to absorb water and are a pain to print if you live in a humid environment. Thanks for watching.